Eczema is a chronic skin condition characterized by inflammation, redness, blisters, and intense itching, which can lead to bleeding, dryness, flaking, and cracking of the skin. These symptoms can show up on the face, ears, arms, and legs. Although eczema usually starts in infancy, it can also occur in adulthood. The exact cause of eczema is not known. However, it's a genetic condition that links to an overactive immune system. Certain allergies, stress, chemical irritants, and asthma can also cause eczema. There is no known cure for eczema. However, aromatherapy can help manage the flare-ups and lessen the pain and severity of this condition. This aromatherapy blend has antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. It works as a great skin soother and helps to reduce redness, itching, and burns. You'll need a 1 ounce glass bottle. I like the pump top for this one, as it's easier to use, and the colored bottles protect the oils from sunlight. So you'll take 4 drops of lavender oil, and then we're going to add 4 drops German chamomile, which is also known as the blue chamomile. Then we're going to add 4 drops of palma rosa oil. Now the palma rosa is helpful in balancing the sebum because too much or too little sebum can aggravate eczema. So now we're going to fill the remaining bottle with equal amounts of evening primrose oil and sweet almond oil. Then close the cap tightly and always roll it to blend the oils all together. And apply 3 to 4 drops of the blend to your face after you've cleansed the skin. Use this twice a day, morning and before going to bed. Now, if you're allergic to almonds, you can use jojoba oil with the evening primrose instead. Chamomile is part of the ragweed family, so if you're allergic to ragweed, replace it with more of the lavender oil. Also, consult your doctor about taking evening primrose oil internally, as many people with eczema tend to have low levels of omega-6 essential fatty acids. Apart from using this blend, it's also important to find out what triggers your eczema and avoid the irritants. Take care.